Mine paper, mine paper, mine paper, mine paper. Mine paper, mine paper, mine paper, mine paper. That guys, Johnson here, and how to experiment a landmine. First, we need this gunpowder, which is this gunpowder. It's out of ammo or not, or it's more, and put it on the landmine, and no need anymore. And we have put the hands on the landmine